Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Choose 3 to 5 distinct moments that show range, not perfection. Set up a tripod or stable surface, record in 1080p at 2430 frames per second, and keep lighting soft and even so casting directors see you clearly. Once framed, perform each piece straight through, then do 1 or 2 variations. This gives choice. Make sure to capture clean audio with a lav or quiet room, because poor sound ruins otherwise good takes. Now refine. Import all good takes and assemble them tightly so each moment earns its time. Cut ruthlessly, show the peak of each performance, then move on. Casting wants momentum. Use simple cuts and match action. Avoid fancy transitions that distract. Balance audio levels so dialogue sits above background by a consistent amount, and apply a subtle color grade to unify shots. Once done, export a high-quality master file and a compressed finish by adding a concise title card with your name, contact, and agent if applicable. Keep it on screen 3 to 5 seconds. Export as MP4H, 264 at 1920 by 1080, and choose an 8 to 12 Mbps bitrate for a clean, upload-friendly file. If audio is noisy or lips don't match, replace with another take or apply gentle denoise and realign in your editor. This fixes most problems. Finally, upload and test on the platform to confirm playback is.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.